Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your cruise experts, and today I'm on board Carnival's brand new beautiful Mardi Gras. This particular category is an extended balcony, so inside it's the same as all of the other balconies, you just have a much larger balcony outside. We'll take you out there in a minute, but let me show you the room. But before we do, make sure you book your next room or suite at harrtravel.com. You can utilize the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, or your family, and take advantage of that signature Harr Travel service. Now, as soon as you walk through the door, on the right-hand side, you're gonna have your storage. Now, I'm gonna open this up here. You're gonna have hanging storage all up top. You have more up and down here. You've got your safe just underneath, perfect for a small device, passport, wallet, those kind of things. And then just underneath, you're gonna have these trays that pull out, really nice and convenient. The bottom does as well. Now, continuing along, you also have more storage here. I do love that these shelves go up and down. You can customize it as you'd like, but you've got a ton of hanging storage here and down below. Now, as soon as you walk in the door, make sure that you put your key card in this power saving device. It's gonna activate the chargers and of course, all the lights. Now, your climate control just above. Now let's head in and check out the bathroom. You've got the toilet tucked just in the corner. You're gonna have your magnifying mirror, storage up and down. You've got a plug for a shaver up there. A little bit of storage underneath the sink as well. And then I really like the design of these showers. I'm a really big guy, I'm 6'6", and I like that I can get in here. There's not a shower curtain. I can move around a bit. You're gonna have the shower wand that adjusts up and down, and you got the clothesline that pulls across. Now let's explore the rest of the space. You're gonna have a large bed here. Of course, that can be separated into two twins if you prefer. There's a ton of storage underneath for luggage. And then on either side, you're gonna have a reading lamp with a USB charger underneath. A really nice touch there so you can charge your device at night. Directly across, you're gonna have a large flat panel TV, perfect for seeing what's going on around the ship, in addition to watching television. Now, as we continue through the space, you're gonna have a large couch right here. If you have more than 2 passengers in the room, this is one of the sleeping areas. You have a Pullman bed up above right here as well. So they're gonna put that down in the evening, and then they'll go ahead and make up each and every morning. Directly across, you've got a large vanity here. You've got a backlit mirror so you can sit and get ready, or you can use it as a writing desk. And just underneath here, you're gonna have a charging station with 3 US plugs and 4 USBs. You've got more drawers for storage here, a couple shelves, and your mini fridge just in the corner. Now we're out on the balcony. Now, I mentioned that this category is an extended balcony. It's in the middle of the ship where the ship bows out a bit, so you get quite a bit more space than one of the standard balconies. You've got 2 chairs and a table, perfect place to take advantage of that room service menu, maybe have a cup of coffee in the morning or a cocktail in the evening. Now, what I love about a balcony is this is your own private outdoor space. You can take advantage of the incredible ocean views, get that fresh air, and really have that separation of space between the inside and out. Now, when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite, make sure you do it at harrtravel.com. You can take advantage of those interactive maps where you can pick the perfect room or suite for you. Now, keep in mind, in the very middle of where the ship bows out, there is a bit bigger balcony. It is a curve here. So just one of those insightful tips that we'd like to share. Now, we greatly appreciate the opportunity to work with you, your friends, family, or group to craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime at an incredible value.